Hi, I'm Reena. I'm an interior decorator and I help busy professionals create the home of their dreams. I'm talking about some of my top tips for managing a home renovation. First, start with a design plan. Consider how your family uses the space. Will you get more use out of a home kitchen, or will a home movie theater be more useful? Think about color palettes and electrical and where you're going to be placing your outlets. You want to know where you're going to be putting that lamp so that the cords aren't going across the middle of the room. Decide where you want to incorporate technology. For example, you can use smart lights or outlets with USB ports for charging devices in the kitchen. Know which work you're going to do yourself and what you're going to outsource. I definitely recommend outsourcing electrical and plumbing. If you're doing any work yourself, understand the order of each step. For example, the electrical needs to be done before the drywall can be put up, and you need to have your sink chosen before the fabricator can cut holes in the countertop. The next tip is to measure everything multiple times. Walls aren't always true, and you have to consider angles and door casing when moving items in. Have installers such as cabinet fabricators come and measure on site so that there aren't any mistakes. Tip number 4, know who needs to procure each item as well as the delivery times. Any delays can delay the whole project. Tip number 5, beware of scope creep. Any small change to the design plan can impact the timeline and the budget. Make sure you understand the potential impact of any change on both the timeline and the budget before you approve it. Make regular site visits during construction to ensure things are going according to design plan. Make sure you and your contractors are communicating regularly about the timeline and the budget. If you can't make site visits, hire a project manager or ask your designer to do this. Tip number 7 is to make a checklist for your final walkthrough. Make sure any deficiencies you note are taken care of before you sign off on project completion. And most importantly, the last tip is to be flexible. There are always surprises and delays during renovations, so buffer in additional time and a contingency budget of 10 to 30%. If you're moving out for the renovation, book the rental for more time than the project schedule allows. That way, if there's any surprises or delays, you won't have to move back into construction zone. We had to do this during our renovation, and trust me, it was not fun. I hope these tips help you. Thanks for watching, and for more design tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel or blog.